to have many conversation like
Yeah.
have you heard what I message for you? Yes, Rasulullah. Are you understand it? Yes, Rasulullah. So today in this day is the farewell among you and me. Like that. Please, the region is perfect. And Abu Bakar crying because if something perfect, maybe something is lost. It's cry because maybe Rasulullah to Allah.
So many hadiths in your life or your brain who has inspired by your life, right? So you can explain that one by one about that hadith, because all hadiths who have drag us to the paradise, not drag us to hell. No, just but depend on this is depend on condition. Which one of people who want to hell or to paradise or heaven. This is our way, right? From this day and the end of the day. Thank you, Mr. Kosa. That is very, very awesome. Thank you.